to my channel. So today's video is a highly requested one. I'm finally shooting Kylie Cosmetics makeup haul. Since the time I showed you guys on Snapchat that I've received my Kylie Cosmetics packages, a lot of you guys wanted me to do a video on the same. So also a lot of you guys keep asking me questions as to how you can order your stuff, from where you can order your stuff, about customs, shipping. So yes, I'm just gonna try and answer all the questions for you guys in this video. Also, I will show you guys all the stuff that I ordered recently from Kylie Cosmetics. So yes, let's get started. These are the 3 packages which I received recently from Kylie Cosmetics. Actually, this is not the whole stuff which I ordered. There was one more package which I still haven't received. That is basically the holiday collection I ordered. So some of the holiday collection came in this pack and some is still left to come, and it's been already 2 months. I ordered this holiday collection 2 months back, and this is what I received 10 days back, and I haven't even received the whole collection till now. So I highly doubt that if I will receive that or not. But for this video, I'm gonna skip showing you guys the holiday collection, because in case I receive the other package which has half the items of holiday collection, I will shoot a separate video for you guys. So yes. So a lot of you guys keep asking me where to buy the Kylie Cosmetics products from. So guys, KylieCosmetics.com is the only real website they have. All other websites are fake. So in case you guys want to purchase the products, you should visit KylieCosmetics.com, because that is the only real website. So talking about in how many working days you will receive your order. So guys, it usually depends, because they ship your order in 3 to 4 working days, and they ship your order through US Postal Services. If you talk about any postal services at all, they are not good as compared to any other courier service. So postal services usually do take a lot of time. So as I told you guys that the holiday collection which I had ordered took 2 months to come, but whereas if I talk about this particular Valentine collection which I ordered 15 days back, so this came in within 10 days. So yes, if you're lucky enough, you will receive your package within 10 days. If not, it might take time. Talking about international shipping and customs, so every website has a different shipping policy. Talking particularly about Kylie Cosmetics, they give you a free international shipping over $60. So in case all the products you order are above $60, you get a free international shipping. In case they are not, you will have to pay separately for shipping. So in my case, all the packages I ordered have a value above $100, so obviously I did not pay any shipping charge. So about customs guys, customs are not included in your shipping charge. You have to pay your customs separately, and that too when the package arrives. So your shipping charge is separate and your customs are separate. If you're lucky enough, you won't have to pay any custom at all, because when the 3 packages from Kylie Cosmetics arrived, I did not pay any custom at all. Whereas when I had ordered some more products from different websites, I paid a heavy customs on them. I think customs usually depend on the size of your package and the amount of your order. So the thing is that I ordered my products in 2 separate orders and 2 separate packages. So I think that is why I was not charged any customs. So yes, it usually depends. So yes, we've talked about customs, we've talked about shipping charge, we've talked about in how many days you'll receive your order, and also where you should order from. And yes, you have to make your payments through credit card. So I think that is it. In case you guys have any other questions, you can leave the comments below and I will answer them for you guys. So moving on to the products which I ordered, quickly I will show you guys all the products which I ordered. So talking about this package particularly, so this is how the box looks from inside. And I ordered the Valentine's collection which launched recently for Valentine's, and I think it just got sold out within a day. So yes, I will show you guys all the products I have in this package. Frankly, I just ordered this Valentine's collection because it is so pretty, and the packaging is so pretty, and I think that is the only reason why I ordered this, because I haven't tried these things, so I don't know how they are, but the package is absolutely very pretty. So yes, that is the only reason why I ordered them. So I was able to get my hands on all the products from Valentine's collection except for 1 or 2. So the products I have in this box is a Valentine lip kit. So this is how the Valentine lip kit looks like. It has a pink gloss and a pink lip liner in this, and this lip gloss is very pretty. So yes, this is what the Valentine lip kit has. It has a pink gloss and pink lip liner. So the next product I have in this box is a Smooch mini kit. I absolutely love the names of the products. So yes, this is how the Smooch mini kit looks like. This is basically a small eyeshadow and a gloss lip kit. So yes, this is what the kit looks like. It has 2 eyeshadows in this. Again, a very pretty packaging. The shades of the eyeshadow are, one is Poison Berry and other is In Love. Also, this kit has 2 glosses which are again very cute and pretty. So the next product in this box is Kylie's Diary. It is eyeshadow and blush palette. I absolutely love this one and I was dying to get my hands on this one since the time I saw this. So yes, this is so pretty. This is how it looks like. So basically it is Kylie Pressed Powder Palette. It is an eyeshadow and blush palette. And I guess she has launched her blushes for the first time. So this is how the Kylie Diary looks like. They have some eyeshadows over here and the 2 blushes over here. Again, I love the choices of the name. The blushes are First Date and Virginity. So yes, I absolutely love how this diary looks like. Yes, this is all what I had in this package. Now moving on to the next pack. So now talking about the second package, the products I have in this package are, the first product I have here is the Sweetheart Mini Kit. So this kit is similar to the one I showed you in my previous package, the Smooch Mini Kit. So this is in a different shade. So it also has one mini eyeshadow palette and 2 mini lip glosses. So both the lip glosses are nude in color. So yes. The next thing I have in this box is the matte liquid lipsticks, that mini matte liquid lipstick. So yes, this is how they look like and I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks. They are so pretty. So the last thing I have in this package is the Poise gloss. So this Poise gloss is not from Valentine's collection. So I just ordered this to get free international shipping because there is nothing left in the Valentine's collection and one gloss was left and it was sold out. So yes, this is what I ordered. So this is how the Poise gloss looks like. This is from her old collection. So yes, all what I ordered from Kylie Cosmetics. In case you guys have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comments below and I will answer them for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon.